President Emerson Mnangagwa's bid for a third term in office is facing stiff resistance from within his own party, ZANU-PF, as well as from opposition parties and civic society. The wave of change is sweeping across the country, with internal fight escalating within the party and between party and ordinary Zimbabweans. Sanabana mashoko anobuda nyuko panapa aiwa anobuda nyuko achinzi aiwa this vision 2030 aiwa is on a brink of collapse. Notable subscribe or like or turn the bell like. But even one of chiti Zimbabwe's main opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa is blasted the 2030 agenda, describing it as hijacking of the constitution by the president's sympathizers. The Zimbabwe Christian Church leaders have also rejected the call for an unconstitutional extension of Mnangagwa's term in office beyond 2028. In a surprising move, ZANU-PF flyers rejecting the 2030 agenda were distributed across the country yesterday, January 23, 2025. The development suggests that there is a growing dissent within the party against the third term bid. The debate over Mnangagwa's potential third term has sparked significant controversy, with some provincial structures within ZANU-PF pushing for an extension of his presidency beyond 2028. However, this move has been met with resistance from war veterans, civil society organizations, and the churches. The Zimbabwe Council of Churches has strongly opposed calls for Mnangagwa to seek a third term constitution. Reverend Wilfred Dimingo, the leader of the council, has warned that any move to extend the term could have severe political consequences, including internal rebellion within ZANU-PF and potential unrest among opposition supporters and civil society organizations. In all the dimensions I mentioned here, veterans, civil society, even in their own party, resistance are on this agenda. Pane maflyers akuonekwa even yesterday achingooneka vanhu vangomuka kunze kungoti maflyers aiwa anga design vanovakomana vethe regime achistopa kana kumisa this agenda. Tudza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Like comment section medu, musana subscribe, like and turn the bell icon.